Hello everyone, this is Malavi working as an assistant professor in chemistry from HLS department in WITS College. Welcome to WITS Connect. Okay, let's discuss about molarity. Okay, so molarity is the number of moles present in a 1 liter of the solution at given temperature is called molarity. Okay, the number of moles. Okay, the number of moles present in a 1 liter of the solution. Okay, a 1 liter of the solution at given temperature is called molarity. Okay, these molarity is generally denoted capital M. Molarity is generally denoted capital M. Okay, then this relation given between the molarity is calculated in the number of moles of solute by volume of the solution in liters. Okay, number of moles of the solute by volume of the solution in liters. Okay, this is the number of moles present in a 1 liter of the solution. Okay, at given temperature is called molarity. This molarity equal to number of moles of the solute by volume of the solution in liters. Okay, or M equal to N by V in liters. Okay, number of mole is generally denoted in the small n. Okay, this is the or M equal to N by V in liters. Okay, or M equal to molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V in liters. 1 means 1 liter. Okay, molecular weight molarity equal to weight by GMW into 1 by V in liters, or M equal to W by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in milliliters. This is the 1000 ml. Okay, 1000 ml by V in milliliters. Volume in milliliters. V for volume. Okay, this is the formulas. Or for dilution of the molarity equal to M1V1 equal to M2V2. For dilution of the M1V1 equal to M2V2. M1 is the molarity of the concentrated solution. M1 equal to molarity of the concentrated solution, and V1 equal to volume of the concentrated solution, and M2 equal to molarity of dilute solution, and V2 equal to volume of dilute solution. Okay, this the for volumetric analysis is M1V1 by N1 equal to M2V2 by N2. Volumetric analysis. Okay, M1V1 by N1 equal to M2V2 by N2. This is the where M1 equal to molarity of first solution. Okay, V1 equal to volume of first solution, and N1 equal to number of moles of first solution. Okay, this is the molarity of first solution, volume of first solution, number of moles of first solution. For example, H2SO, HCl versus NaOH. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the molarity of the first solution, volume of the first solution, number of moles of the first solution. And next one is this is also molarity of second solution, volume of second solution, and number of moles of second solution. This is the M2 equal to molarity of second solution, V2 equal to volume of second solution, and N2 equal to molarity number of moles of second solution. And this is the formulas of the molarity. Okay, molarity unit is the moles per liter. Molarity unit is a moles per liter. This molarity depends on the temperature. If temperature increases, molarity is decreases. Okay, the molarity problems. First problem is 2 moles of solute are dissolved in 5 liters of solution. 5 liters of solution. What is molarity? Okay, this is a question. Understand? 2 moles of solute are dissolved in 5 liters of the solution. What is molarity? The formula is M equal to N by V. Okay, this is the molarity. M equal to, we don't know. Okay, and N equal to number of moles, 2 moles. Okay, and volume is 5 liters. Okay, these values are substituted. Okay, n equal to 2. Okay, V equal to 5. Answer is 0.4 m moles per liter. Okay, all of you understand? 2 moles of solute are dissolved in 5 liters of the solution. What is molarity? Molarity formula is m equal to n by V. Okay, m equal to molarity equal to we don't know. N equal to number of moles is 2 and value is 5. Okay, formula is m equal to n by V. Okay, 2 by 5. The answer is 0.4. Okay, and next problem is find the number of moles. Okay, find the number of moles of solute present in 500 ml of 0.2 m solution. Okay, this is the we calculated the find the number of moles. Okay, formula is m equal to n by V. Okay, or n equal to m into V. Okay, we don't know number of moles. Okay, we don't know number of moles. We don't know. Okay, molarity of solution. Molarity of solution is 0.2 m. Okay, and next value. Value of solution is 500 ml is converted to milliliters is 0.5 liters. Okay, 0.5 liters. Okay, these are substituted. Okay, n equal to 0.2 into 0.5. Okay, the number of moles equal to 0.1. This is the number of moles 0.1. Okay, next problem is a very important. Find the molarity of solution containing 171 grams of sugar. Okay, in 2 liters. Okay, 171 grams of sugar in 2 liters. Okay, find the molarity. Okay, this find the molarity of the containing is 171 grams of sugar. Sugar or sucrose. Okay, this sucrose formula is C12H22O11. C12H22O11. Okay, then this is the formula is M equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V in liters. Okay, this is the first molarity is we don't know. Okay, weight of the solute. Weight of the solute is 171 grams. Okay, and next one is gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight of sucrose C12H22O11. Okay, this is the molecular weight C12H22O11. Okay, carbon atomic weight 12. How many carbons here? 12. 12 into 12 plus, and hydrogens is how many hydrogens here? 22. Okay, hydrogen atomic weight is 1. Okay, and how many oxygens here? 11 oxygens. Okay, 11 into oxygen atomic weight is 16. Okay, this is the 12 into 12, 144 plus 22 plus 176 equal to 342. Okay, the gram molecular weight of sucrose is 342. Okay, and next one is the value. Value is how many liters? 2 liters. Okay, this is the weight 171 grams. Gram molecular weight is 342 and value in 2 liters. These are substituted in this formula. Okay, into 1 volume in 2 liters. Okay, this the calculation is to form 1 by 4 or 0.25 moles. This the molarity is 0.25 or 1 by 4. Okay, this is the sucrose molarity. We don't know. Weight of the solute is 171 grams and gram molecular weight is 342 and volume is 2 liters. These are substituted in this formula. Is m equal to 0.25. 21.2 grams of Na2CO3 are dissolved in 500 ml of solution. Find the molarity of solution. Okay, find the molarity of solution. This formula is molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V in liters, or molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in volume in milliliters. Okay, then this the weight is what is weight of the Na2CO3 sodium carbonate is 21.2 grams. Okay, and gram molecular weight GMW of Na2CO3 is how many sodiums here? 2. Sodium atomic weight is 23 plus carbons. Okay, how many carbons? Only one carbon. 1 into 12 plus how many oxygens here? 3. Oxygen atomic weight is 16. Okay, 46 plus 12 plus 48. Molecular weight is 106. Na2CO3 molecular weight is 106. Weight is 21.2 grams. Okay, and volume is 500 ml. Volume equal 500 ml. We don't know molarity. Okay, these are substituted in this formula. Okay, this is 21.2 grams by gram molecular weight is 106 into volume 1000 by 500 ml. Okay, this answer is 0.4 ml. Molarity is 0.4